In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact form in Weebly. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First things first, let's get started by logging into your Weebly account. Go ahead and navigate to the Weebly website. You'll notice a login button located in the top right corner of the page. Click that button, and you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. After you fill those in, click the Sign In button to access your account. Easy enough, right? Once you're logged in, it's time to jump to your website dashboard. This is where you'll see an overview of all your current projects. You should be looking for the website option on the dashboard. Go ahead and click on that to move forward. Now that you're in your dashboard, you want to open the editor for the specific website where you want to add the contact form. Click on the Edit button associated with that website. This should open up the Weebly editor, where all the magic happens. Inside the editor, there's a tab at the top called the Build tab. Click on this to access the customization tools you'll need to create your contact form. In this section, you're presented with various elements that you can add to your site. Now let's locate the contact form. Look for the contact element within the available options in the Build tab. You can either drag this element to the location on the page where you want it to appear, or simply click on it and it will automatically be added to your chosen section. Once you have placed the contact form where you want it on your page, you can customize it to suit your needs. Click on the form to open Customization Settings. Here, you can modify the fields that appear on your form. By default, you'll have fields like name, email, and message, but you can add or remove fields as necessary. This customization is crucial to ensure the form meets your needs and collects the right information from your visitors. Let's take a moment to explore the settings that will help you fine-tune your contact form. Click on the Settings tab in the Form Customization menu. Here, you can change the email address that will receive the form submissions, adjust the form name, or even add a title that appears above the form on your page. This flexibility helps you streamline your communication and make sure everything runs smoothly. Once you are satisfied with the customization of your contact form, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button, which is typically located in the upper right-hand corner of the editor. Click it to ensure all your hard work is not lost. Finally, it's time to publish your changes. Navigate back to the top of the page and look for the Publish button. Click that, and within moments, your contact form will be live on your website, ready to assist your visitors in reaching out to you. All right, folks, that's how you add a contact form in Weebly. I hope you found this